we're gonna open Ryan's toys. What's inside? Whoa! So much stuff. These are garbage. Okay, let's open this. Whoa. Yes. So build this. I hope we don't get it wrong, right? We got Gus, Shelton, Peck, Combo Panda, Alpha Alexa, Dragon, and Pirate Ryan, and Red Titan. Okay, I'm gonna do you want to do Shelton? Yeah. Okay, let's do Shelton first. Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. What if we get it wrong? Okay, so where is it? One. The number one is here. The number one is here. I will put it. I will do this. You have to do it nicely, okay? I'm already doing it correctly. I hope I get it. And that. This one right over here. 50 over here. So that's 2. You gotta put it in the 2. Okay. No. Not like that. You're so jealous. And 11. Wow. I think I'm gonna do this. I think this is like a puzzle. Stickers. 4. Is it here? Oh, this is dead. No. Oh yeah, like that. Good boy. 10. Wait, am I doing it correctly? No. Oh, this is 1. This one goes right over here. Yeah. And I am this foot. Oh, this is 40. It goes over here. This one. And the 6 will go right over. Oh, the 6. Oh, yeah, it's 6. I hope I didn't get it mixed up. Just like that. I think this is easy. No, that's 6. Yeah, that's 6. No, that you were doing it the right way. Yeah, like that. No. Yeah, like this. And 6 for me. Or 6. Oh, it's the tail. 9. And I got a little bit more. 60. Here. This one is 10. So where's the 10? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Good. And then this one. And I have the last